Okay, so hello everyone. This is one of the last meetings before we all proceed for the events of Comfest. All right, I know all of you are pretty well prepared and a few basic information before we start with the Comfest that is beginning day after tomorrow. All right, first things first, punctuality is key because all these events will be hosted online and no event will be delayed for more than 5 events. All right. Keep yourself prepared, make your plans accordingly before time so that you're not late for any of your competitions. The schedule has been given in the WhatsApp group and is available on the website of Comfest as well, which I'm pretty sure you all have gone to a lot of time during the previous month. All right. Another important piece of information is that as all the events would require you to turn on your cameras. Okay, it's a compulsory rule for all the events. All right, so like select a particularly well lit and peaceful room of your house for the meetings. And regarding the outfit in which you're supposed to be in, I inquired with the people at Confest and they said that school dress is the most preferable option. Well, I know a lot of you might not have it, but as we are lucky, the school dress of our school is not that complicated. All you can do is have a white shirt with you, which is not very difficult to find, and just wear it. If you're having the school dress, the tie, etc., it's well and good. But if nothing, you should have a white dress. If not, you can arrange it, and you're requested to attend all your events in a white shirt only, just to because you're representing your school. You're not on a personal event there. You're not allowed to wear personal clothes. All right, this was regarding the uniform and the timings. Uh, Now, on other note, there would be a lot of time changes as well. We know that we made the list of participants according to the schedule that no two events are clashing, but apparently there would be clashes because they are also trying this online thing for the first time. They also don't know how things would work out. All right. So if there is any clash of events, then don't back off before volunteering. Just ask them, is sir, ma'am, there would be no sir, ma'am, there are all students of class 12th and 11th mostly. You can ask them ki, excuse me, I have an event at this time as well, and they will arrange something. They have a backup plan for nearly everything. You just need to tell them. Try to avoid any confusion. Talk to the WhatsApp admins, and like everyone is having the WhatsApp groups of all their events. Everybody is added to those groups. Can a few of you confirm?
But yeah, I'm still not added to the third front group. I told them, but they didn't respond.
Third front. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Like you're the only participant for it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, we'll talk about that today. And anyone else having a problem regarding the, because the WhatsApp groups would be the main platform for all the information that would be conveyed to you. Not Facebook, not Instagram, it would be the WhatsApp groups for all the events. All of you are added to your respective groups, and if not, at least one of the participants, like if there is an event in which there are two participants, one of them should be added to the group and he will forward the messages of the group to the other participants. All right, I'm clear here. All of you are added to the groups. Okay, keep a check on the messages and read it completely. If any doubt, the thing is, all the admins, trust me, all the admins of the pages and the event coordinators are really friendly. If you talk to them, they're all your classmates, they're all your batchmates, they're those in school, they're no teachers. You can talk to them in whatever way you want, however you want to clear it, no problem. And it's pretty sure that some of them would be hosting a few meetings as well. For example, my Lost in Rendition event, there was a Zoom meeting regarding it. Any other participant who has attended such meetings for any of these events? Hello? No one? Okay, no issue. I hope that at least there would be information regarding all those events in the groups. There are some complex events which cannot be conveyed just by the matter of text in WhatsApp groups. That's why they might host events even tomorrow. You never know. Okay? Now this was about the WhatsApp groups of the events, and I think day after tomorrow there is no event. It's just the opening ceremony and a few other workshops which are pretty compulsory to be attended. You are all requested to attend all these events with full sincerity. Don't think that the Compass is starting from 16th October. It is starting from 15th October. All the workshops that will be held on 15th October are a part of Compfest. Alright? You're not just there to win prizes. You're there to learn something. Alright? Do attend all the workshops. There would be links in their Facebook probably, or they would be conveyed to you in one way or the other. Alright? Now, this was the common information for all of you. Any doubts, anyone, regarding your events, regarding your participation, regarding the uniform, anything? Okay, I'll take that as a no. Now, we would be asking all of you about your progress regarding your events. All right? And I hope all of you still have your cameras on. And also an information regarding the events, please do not turn off your cameras in between the events. All right? When the event is going on, don't turn off. Like it gives out a wrong impression about you. What's the problem? You can keep the camera on throughout the event. It would give a wrong impression to the host school. Okay? And refrain from any sort of unfair means. We all know that online platform would allow a lot of shortcuts for every one of us, but let's just not prefer them. All right, we all are capable enough to win what we are taking part in. We don't need any such means. I'm confident about that. Okay, now going up with the particular events. The first event in line is athletic arithmetic, and the participant for it is wait, I don't have the updated list here. Who is the participant? Is it Rishita or is it Nathani? Hello?
Me. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, yes. You are prepared for the event, athletic arithmetic. You are. I hope you are. It is one of the most interesting events. Actually, we loved watching it last year. All right.
Yes.
Yeah. There would be a set of random calculations your way, and you'll have to solve them. It is a pretty simple event. Like not taking part in it, its rules are simple, the event is not simple. Okay, but we know you're one of the best in maths in our school and we trust you there. Okay, so the next event is capture the moment. Uday, I hope you are well aware with the information conveyed to you. Kuch
Yes.
information has been conveyed about capture the moment. What do you know about it? What are you going to do about it?
मैंने शूटिंग शुरू कर दी है, मैं टॉपिक दे दिया है इसलिए.
ओके. क्या है टॉपिक, क्या है?
Norms.
Like social media norms. What can you explain it?
नहीं, norms मतलब ये क्वारंटाइन में जो norms थे ना उस पे है पूरा.
अच्छा. Okay. And what is the date of submission for your video?
18th मतलब लास्ट में ही है.
Acha, okay. Nice. Baki, Gayatri, you are prepared for Codex and cracked the code, right?
Yeah, Codex is over. We have submitted it, and
Okay.
crack the code will be done.
It's on spot, right? I
It's on
guess.
spot. Yeah.
Okay. Next is cross bits. Arpit, we have, had very less interaction with Arpit the past month. Arpit, can you hear me?
Yes.
So, are you prepared for cross bits? You know what is it? It's about, right? It's basically about IT, tech, and there would be, questions regarding the same for it. All right.
Yeah.
Uh, how have you prepared for it? Can you give me a hint?
I've been reading some articles related to the latest technologies evolving nowadays.
Yeah.
And the companies which are.
Yeah, there would be a lot of questions regarding current affairs. All right, focus on current affairs a lot. Same applies for whoever in IT Quest. Aditya Atul, there would be a lot of questions for regarding the current events. Do read the tech section of news. A lot of questions will be from their new CEOs or new companies bought by other companies, etc. Then we have cyber etching. Krishna, can you hear me?
Yes.
Actually, Krishna, I know you can perform well in it, but I would recommend that you send me a few of your practice drafts, like ek do practice kar and send them to me just for assurance that you are working for it. Okay, you have them saved, right? The practice sketches and all.
Actually, what just some days before Sandeep sir told me about one event of government. So I made one logo for that.
Yeah,
That gave me
okay.
the good practice. That gave me
Yeah.
the good practice of logo design.
Yeah, okay, and you can have make a few more. You have the basic idea, right? You participated in it last year, you won in it last year, so we are confident with you. But still, you gotta keep practicing and you gotta keep telling us about it. Okay, do send me or Gayatri whatever is your progress regarding the event. Okay, deeds on sheets. I'm really confident with the fine arts people this year. They're working really hard. All the participants have shown me their work. Anushka has shown me her practice drafts for deeds and sheets as well. What is your other event, Anushka? Can you hear me?
Click Magenta.
Hello?
Click Magenta.
Acha, okay. I hope you have practiced for both of them. All right. And yeah, the topic would be on spot, I guess, for both of them. Yeah, okay. So keep your, stationery and whatever you need well prepared before the event and attend those events on time. These events, I'm again telling you, events like cyber etching, deeds on sheets, fine arts and tech related stuff like virtual dub and capture the moment. This all depends on somewhat your skill and somewhat your luck on what topic you get, how well accomplished you are with that topic. All right. So, like, be prepared. These events have a very high chance. Like every event, if you notice, every genre, whether you take literary, whether you take computer science, fine arts, there is no event in Confest in which we have not won a prize. Okay, our school has won a prize in every one of them at some year or the other. Okay, so there is no event in which you will be like, नहीं इसमें तो chance ही नहीं है, chance हर event में है. All you need to do is work for it. Okay, the next is Flick Vegan and the participants for it is Anushka Maurya again and Sapna. Sapna, you are prepared for it, right? Hello? Yeah. Okay. And these are for the fine arts participants. Nice. The next is Gambit. And the thing about Gambit is you can't be prepared for it. It is a surprise event. No information has been conveyed for it. It would be completely on spot. Now, Next is Invert Oxford. That is my event. IT Quest. Aditya Atul. Hello, Aditya. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Hello,
Yeah.
I
So
can hear you.
you're. Yeah. I can hear you as well. Aditya, you are prepared for the IT Quest, right? How are you preparing for
Yes,
it? How are you practicing for it?
all the buzzword, all the current issues,
Yeah.
and all everything I've learned. I'm having the experience of CrossFit last year.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can relate.
Crossbits and IT Quest are well, interrelated to each other, and both of you and Arpit can talk with each other, and tell each other what both of you are studying, and because the main knowledge of both of them is same, the presentation is just different. One is a crossword, another is a quiz. That's all the difference is in. Now journal done, it was pretty well. Kush Mehrotra and Rishta Bapna, well done. It has been submitted. One of the events that is already done and submitted well in advance. Nice work, Kush.
Thanks.
Next is, yeah. Next is loss and rendition. Loss and rendition practice is going on. I'm asking all of you about your practice. I will be telling about my practice as well. Me and Joy have been practicing a lot about this event because this is a fun event and we expect to perform well in it. Okay? Joy is performing really well, to be honest. Next event is Minds of Kinds, but I don't think Bobby is here. Hello? Okay, she's
Yes,
here.
Bhaiya, I'm here.
Okay. Bobby, please ensure that you are on time for the main events, all right? Such delay can create a problem because there are a lot of students. Like, as there are a lot of students, just I'm telling you all guys, there would be at least 30 people in all the events you're taking part in. So there is this chance that they might disqualify you if you are not on time or not in the proper attire. Okay, whatever, try to be as disciplined as possible. Okay, so Bobby, you did show me your practice of Minds and Kinds. Keep practicing. This is also a very nice event. You do have an idea, right, what you're supposed to do in it? It's a pretty obvious event, and yeah, fine arts people, I have a lot of trust in you guys. Okay, so the next event is again of Gayatri, Pandora's Box. Gayatri, you are prepared for it, right? I
Surprise
think it's the
event.
surprise,
Yeah,
surprise
surprise.
software, something like that, right?
Mm.
Yeah. Okay. Gayatri, which three events did you win in last year?
Vispro, Codex,
Okay.
and WebTech.
WebTech. Okay. Nice. Now next is Pencil Brains. Harsh, can you hear me? Kejriwal?
Yeah,
Harsh? Yeah, okay. So, how are you
yeah,
practicing for Pencil Brains? How is your practice going for it?
yeah. I have tried some, I'm well aware of the Sudokus and I have been
Yeah,
practicing it for many years. And I have
yeah.
also Googled about some mathematical, uh, like some
Puzzles.
things which are related to maths, logical reasoning,
Yeah.
puzzles, etc.,
Like mostly there
which
would
may
be
be
puzzles. I
available.
hope you know what is a math doku, right? I don't know how to solve it. I also saw it in a
Oh, yeah,
newspaper or
yeah.
something.
Oh,
Yeah,
I know.
yeah, nice,
It's
nice.
pretty
That's what I'm
simple.
telling, right?
You can also do it.
Yeah, okay. So yeah, it is, like Sudoku, Madoku, and other puzzles like that, which you guys are good at. Okay, so the next event is Pixel. Aditya, do you have any information about this event? Has there been any new information about this event? Pixel photography event, I suppose. Hello, Aditya. Aditya Atul.
Yes, yes.
Are you aware with any updates happening in the Pixel event, photography
Yeah,
event?
I know the
Are you?
topic.
Yeah. Okay. So the
Yeah,
topic is given to you. You're working for it.
yes. I have to cover the pandemic.
Okay. Matlab, mainly photographs related to pandemic. Right.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
Now the next event is spell it right. Joy, keeping track of the spellings there. Hello.
Yes, bhaiya. But like I told you, na.
Yeah. See, I know
Yeah.
it's a difficult event, but you know, it might give you an idea because you're still in 10th, right? There are 2 more years, and preferably if we perform well this year, which is all according to you all, we would be going for the next years as well, and it would help you. Even if you don't take part in, you would be able to give a guidance to your other juniors or other participants that would be taking part in, right? That's why we don't like. That's why we have put difficult events we have given to junior students, because even if you are not able to participate well in it, at least you have an idea now, and whether you can perform yourself better or you can help others the next year, because you have to
Yes.
plan the future as well. Okay, another event for which we are well prepared this year is Tech Talk. Kush, Joy, and Arpit, I have heard that you all have been preparing pretty much a lot regarding this one. Am I right,
Yes.
Kush?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, like we are having like every day afternoon sessions for half an hour. So we are practicing. It's quite going quite nice.
yeah. Okay. It is one of the main events of Confess. All right. It is one of the you know the most participated. A lot of schools would take part in this event, so the competition is high, but you are all well prepared. Now the next event is the season begins, which is the gaming event, for which I had forwarded my name because nobody else did, but I have arranged, like they did give me a list of games, and they are well arranged and will be participating accordingly. The next is the third front, again a event of Joy. Okay, Joy, can you hear me?
Yes.
Again, as I was telling you, it is one of the events we have a great scope in. The third front is an artistic event based on your creativity. You have told me that you have been practicing it, and I know that you have been. Okay, nice. Uh, Keep practicing.
Yes.
The next event is Twist a Tail, and the participants are Rishita, Kush, and myself. And we have been practicing for this event as well. We have been passing around stories, like the event in the event we are supposed to. Its preparation has been going on pretty well as well. Now the next event is Vid Ed. Uday, another one of your events. Uday, can
हाँ
you hear
भाई
me? Okay, so
यस
इसके बारे में कोई information, like is any information is forwarded to you about Vid Ed?
नो अभी तक तो नहीं आया आज ही ग्रुप में मुझे ऐड किया
अच्छा, ओके ओके, कोई बात नहीं. They would be telling you, like इसमें तो basically they would be giving you a few clips and you'll have to edit. So there would be a high chance that ये पूरा on spot ही होगा. There won't be any information or any matter given to you beforehand. Virtual dub, Aditya Atul, I have seen him practicing a lot. He has been forwarding me the edited audios as well. Aditya, are you still practicing, right?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay. And the last two events are again of Gayatri, WebTech and WizPro, which I think one of them is website designing and the other one is something related to
Online
programming, I suppose.
programming. Yeah.
Yeah, programming, right? So, well, we are prepared pretty well, and if anyone is still having any kasar left in their practice, you still have a whole night today and 2 whole days that are coming tomorrow. All right, do attend I'm again mentioning, do attend all those workshops that would be conducted on 15th and throughout the course of Compest. and also the in charge. Let me just tell you, the in charge for the treasure hunt event. That is what is the name of that event?
Jungs the Pump.
Jung Zapang, sorry. Jung Zapang, the in charge for it is Yash Nathani. Yash Nathani would be, conducting the whole event for all of you. It is an event in which the people who are not participating in any event at that time can participate. तुम participate कर रहे हो, you can helping with the clues. As soon as you go have an event, you go to that event, you participate in it, and then come back and participate again in the treasure hunt. It's a complete. All the 14 people will be participating, and all the 14 people will get a prize if we win in treasure hunt. All right. So this is it, I guess. Sir, would you like to, DK Gupta sir and Sandeep sir, would you like to guide the students as well?
Thank you, Sandeep. First of all, I request to all students, switch on your webcam. It is mandatory. Switch on your webcam, please. Aditya, you also. Rishita. And then I will convey my sincere thanks to all the teachers, as well as students. And I want to say,
sir, your voice.
Is batting.
Sir, we couldn't hear you, sir. Excuse me.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I must say one thing. I don't know which I can only Krishna Devadia. So Krishna Devadia is alone from class 11. So next year,
Cannot hear you properly.
Sir, your voice is like not coming properly.
Okay.
Noise in the background.
Wait.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so first of all, we both must convey our sincere thanks to all of you, especially class 12 students. And I must say one thing to class 11 students: you must learn these qualities, how to control, what not control, how to inculcate, how to develop the team spirit among all the participants. Because the next year you must run the show. Because next year you will lead the show. So, and I think at the same time, the Krishna Jarodia is alone from class 11th. So Krishna, next year you will be having the lots of responsibility on your shoulder. So please be ready, be mentally prepared for the next year. And you guys are doing fantastic job. And what me and DK sir, due to just these online classes, we have lots of, you can say, unofficial work you can't imagine. So that's why we are not giving sufficient time to all of you. But today we decided to participate in the meeting, and clearly I can't open my heart just like Hanuman ji, but इतना कह सकता हूँ कि तुम सब लोग बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हो और love you all, and may God wish you all the success, and just नाम रोशन कर दो, छा जाओ, all the best. And over to DK sir.
All you are doing very, great job you are doing, and definitely we will win the marathon. And like last year, we done, fantastic job. This year also we will win. We can, we must, and we will. Definitely we will win. Okay, wish you all the best, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
And I'm sharing the photographs of last year. You can see all the photographs of the last year in WhatsApp group. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta.
Now,
God bless
Gayatri,
you, everyone.
Gayatri, I think we can call off the meeting. Thank you, everyone, for your emails.
And Gayatri, please send me the link of this video.
Yes, sir.
Actually, if you have recording of this meeting, all the meeting you conducted, you just upload it on some web space, means on the cloud, and share the link. What
Yeah,
we are.
sure, sir.
Bye.